Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about what is function. So what really is a function? So ito makukuha na maaari natin ito sa general mathematics and advanced trigonometry and algebra. And sa algebra, trigonometry, I think yes, sa calculus, function is very important. So what is a function? So a function is a relationship between. Okay, let me just finish my writing. A function is a relationship between the input or the output. So it is just the relationship of the input and the output. So let's say here. So ang f of x is just equals to sa y. So nakita natin minsan we have y equals to 2x plus 3. That is a type of equation and a function. It is a linear function. So y, this represents the range or the output of the function. And then yung f of x, so let me just put here something. And yung f of x, this is the input of a function, which represents the domain. And we also have different examples of functions. So mga example ng function is, example, we have y equals, let me think it number, 2x minus 7. So yan, this is a type of a linear function. And we can also represent it as an f of x is equals to 3x plus 5. So it's still the same and linear function pa rin siya. So a function can be represented by as h of x or f of x. So a function can be represented as anything. Para siya maging v of x, position function sa physics. So a function can be represented as anything. J of x or kung ano ba, initial ng crush, you can just put it there. And that's it. But the most common one is f of x and g of x. So now what I'm going to do here is give you illustration, or maybe yes, illustration of what is the different types of function. Different types of functions. So all of this is maaral natin. If you look to my playlist, I will make videos regarding on all of these functions, on how to graph them, how to solve them. Also trigonometry, I will also upload videos about that. And linear algebra, matrix and matrix vectors, those things soon. So first type of function, we have linear function. So this function is just linear, as you can see. Straight point lang siya. Slope niya is the same at all points. And we also have here, let me draw this better. There you go. So this is a quadratic function. So nakita nyo na to nung grade 10, I think. Kung pinagraph kayo ng quadratic. No? But I think no, kasi hindi pa naman pinagraph. Kami hindi pinagraph nun eh. So grade 10 or grade 9, I think. So this specific linear function is y equals x, and this specific quadratic function is represented as y equals to x squared. Okay, I'm just... Oh god, no, I think I'm not gonna write it like this. I'm gonna put that exponent of 2 say thus. And this is the... So that's only 2. We still have more. Marami tayong type of function. And I will break it all lahat, I think. Dito lang sa algebra, in algebras area, not in physics area. So we also have this. So what is this? This is a cubic function. So, oh no, I'm writing polynomial, but it's actually a cubic function. It looks like a polynomial because cubic function is naka-raise rin sa third power. So this is just y equals to x cubed because it's cubic function. So you can create a heart sa function, I mean sa graph. You can create a heart. You can do that. So actually hindi ko nalagyan ng mga ano to, palatandaan kung saan yung y and x axis. So we also have this. What is this? This is, guess it. This is a logarithmic function. So hindi nyo alam yung logarithmic, it's just logarithms. So magagamit yung mga logs para ma-solve yung exponent sa itaas. Kapag meron kang exponent na x at yun yung hahanapin mo. So I will also upload videos regarding that maybe years from now because I'm still working on many branches like physics because I'm trying to master physics actually. And I want to understand quantum physics also. So exponential function to. This is y equals to e raised to the x. Yeah, no, not that. It is not multiplied by x, but it is raised to the power of x. So mga exponential function, nakita nyo niyan sa ecology. Mga, mga graph para sa population. No. So this is an example of trigonometric function. So this particular graph that I represent is a sine function. So meron tayong cosine function, mga tangent, secant, cosecant. So marami tayong trigonometric function. So I think no, I'm not gonna draw it here. So that's it. This is 6. There's 3 more and I will delete it later. But let's see. So sa first video ko dito sa Advanced Trigonometry and Algebra, I taught you guys about the horizontal line, vertical line test. So vertical line test is yung ginagamit ng testing para ma-identify if the graph is a function or not. So I do it here, and as you can see, it only touched the graph at one point. So they all pass the vertical line test. Actually, may function na sa name nila, no? So they all pass the vertical line test. Now let's move on to the 3 more. I also have this. Oy, oops, not the right one. So what is this? So my drawing is not perfect. Look at this, tabing yung ano, but I will remind it last time. Kasi same thing lang naman sila. So this is absolute value function. So, para siyang linear function pero straight and wala siya sa baba, no? So, this is just absolute value function. So, ang absolute value function is just y equals to absolute value ng x. So, mga hindi nakakalam, ang absolute value is just always positive. And kung may negative x value ka dyan sa loob, or negative 1, and tinik mo yung absolute value niya, it will become also positive. Now we also have, what am I gonna draw here? We have rational function. So, hindi siya absent, ha? I'm gonna draw it later, wait. There you go. So, what is rational function? Rational function is, let me delete this. Look like this thing. Here. Yan, pang ganyan siya. So, ang rational function na na-represent ko dito is 1 over x. So, let me just kabit-kabit. If put them together. There you have it. That's our example of rational function. And lastly, we have this thing. So, tabingi-tabingi na yung graph ko. But this is fine. So, we have this. And this. So, lumampas pa siya. So, this is called polynomial function. This is for grade 10. I think. Pero hindi kayo mag-graph or mag-identify lang kayo kung paano mag-graph. This is one of the hardest graph actually. Rational function, I think it is hard though. So this polynomial function is represented as, let me just write this. So this is x raised to the 4th, this is x cubed, and this is 2x squared, but I think the number is too big. Let me delete this and put some small numbers. So this is 4. We have 3. And we have 2. So there you have it. So if we do the vertical line tilts also here, we will get the same exact answer. So pag ginamit natin vertical line test, we will get the same result. And it will only be touched at one point. So therefore, this is considered a function. So let me just write this. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. And have a good day and good